because normally if I do my phone this way, I don't get nobody in here. So but we're trying again, see what happens. Appreciate it. Got 2 in here. That's a start. People are, I guess, are picking up. Oh, it was. I enjoyed it. I'll do it again. But right now it's raining, so I can't be running. I went to get ORV stickers and for my side-by-side, and can't get them right now. Not till the end of March, first part of April. So no, yeah. I got something cool here if I can find it here. Where in the heck did it go to? They had not seeing it today. Maybe it was I don't want to save it. But anyway, they had a green screen on here, but it must depends on how you got your phone held. So I don't know. But yeah, there's a Blazer sitting up there. I got it all cleaned up. Brought it in, reprogrammed the ECU, the ESC in it, so that it's working like it should. And I turned up the BEC voltage on it because it's got so much lighting on it. I figured everything else could be able to handle it. So I turned up the BEC voltage on it as well and stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. What is it? Yeah, we got rain. Snow's going away quick. There you go. Oh, not much. Went in the store with my wife, and I spent 30 minutes talking to subscribers. They recognized me, and so I talked to them for a little bit. My wife called wondering where I was at, and I just got back home, and it rained all the way home. Supposed to be like this on and off today, so I'm trying a different angle to see, because it's possible this morning live streams may go away because I don't seem to get the people in like I used to doing them in the morning. I get a lot of people from Europe, which is okay, but the problem is you know, I need them come in all the time, so so the end result is I just got to figure it out. What's the best time to do a live stream? Is it morning? Is it the afternoon ones? I did that afternoon one running my truck around in the snow, and I got a lot of people coming in then. But maybe it's how I'm labeling my live streams. I don't know. I just do these. I do these to not so much. Well, it gives me watch hours, to be honest with you, but I do it more so to meet the people out there. It's comes to my channel, and yeah. So, yep. That's a big reason why you do live streams, to meet people that subscribe to your. I hate to use the term fans. YouTube uses that. They call you guys my fans. I hate to use that term because I'm not a celebrity. I'm just an everyday person. But yeah, it's to meet you guys. So that's a big thing. Get to know everybody in here. There's some good people in here. You get to know them. So, yep. Let's see here. Where did the chat go?